Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm not going to be doing cake today. I'm doing another thing today. I'm going to open my food processor. I just bought it, so I want to see how functioning it is. So in this food processor is 6-in-1. We have grinder, we have section, we have blender and mixer in it. So I want to open it or unbox it and see how it is. Then I'll use it to make my juice, pineapple juice out of it. Like this channel, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. Hit the notification button to know when I upload another video. Thank you. Keep watching and see how I'm going to unbox this food processor from Boom Company. So this is how the food processor is. It's 6-in-1. It has a grinder, section, mixer, and a blender. So we are going to unbox it now. We are going to unbox it now to see how they look like. This is to grind the add things like a kusi, your fish, and this is the main machine for it. So this is the one that we are going to use now for our juice. These are other things. I think this is the blender. This is the blender of it. Blender. This is the mixer. You can put your meat and grind it if you want to do meat pie. If you want to make meat pie, and you can even make your pounded yam here in this particular one. And this is the section of it. It's very nice. So you can get one in the super shop. This is my juice extractor. So I'm going to juice my pineapple this morning. So you rinse it first before using it. So I'm going to cut my pineapple. I've already washed the pineapple. Washed it very well. So I'll wash my hand first again before cutting the pineapple. This my pineapple, you need to put it inside there. You can use spoon, you can use your hand. So I'm going to clean it up, then wash it. See how it is? This is where the shaft is. So I'm going to clean it up. The juice is ready.